Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to check YouTube earnings for any YouTube channel at all. I can pick this YouTube channel, I will open up this video and I will click on channel name. As you can see, it is here at the very bottom of the video and it will redirect it to this channel, and all we need to do is copy this link of this particular channel, and similar way you can check all different channels which are out there. Next thing what we will do is we will go to socialblade.com. So this is socialblade.com website, and here you can check different statistics for all other different social network applications as well, but here make sure that this is selected as YouTube, and here in search paste in this YouTube channel link guys and click on search. And once you click on search, here you will be able to see how many views this particular channel is getting every month. As you can see, this channel every month is getting 471,000 views, and its estimated monthly earnings are from €107 to €1,700 per month. We can't tell exactly how much it is earning, but this is a rather precise number based on the views of this channel. And here you can also see how much this channel is earning per year guys. As you can see, per year the earnings of this channel is from $1,300 to $20,600. This is a quick way how you can check YouTube earnings for any YouTube channel out there. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.